Good morning friends and welcome to another video. Today is Mods Day and I'm changing two things on the Royal Enfield Classic 350. First thing, the shift levers will be changed to this one here, a heel and toe shifter. So I take off the standard one. Second thing is different foot pegs. These are the touring foot pegs and they should be a little bit more comfortable. So I will change these two today and both things should be quite easy to do. So I will start with the foot pegs first. Okay, I will start with the left side. To remove the foot peg, there's a small clip here on the back side that we have to remove, but be careful that it's not going somewhere that you don't find it anymore. Small screwdriver should do the work. And then we can take it carefully off. There it is. This is how it looks. Small spring. Second, you can take off the bolt here. Very easy. And afterwards you can take off the foot peg. Be careful, there's a spring inside. So remember how the spring is sitting here inside. That's it. Spring away. To get the footrest inside, take the left one, spring back inside. And what you should do before you mount it, take some fat and put it on the moving parts. So now spring inside in the hole. Put this one back. So easy. The small spring must go back, same as before. Small screwdriver, and you should be able to push it back on. Sitting in a good position, perfect. Cleaning everything. Very nice. I will do the same on the other side. So same here. First carefully losing the spring here. This was easy. Then take out the bolt. So there we are. So maybe it's easier, take a bigger screwdriver, then you can go inside the spring here and open it while it's on. So like that. So right side is finished too. It was a little bit more difficult here because there's not so much clearance. Second one, finished. Works, looks good, perfect. So if you compare it to the standard one, much bigger. So next step, remove the original shift lever. So for this we need a 10. Just open it up. And what you will see immediately in a second is, if you loosen the bolt here, you see that you cannot take this one off. There's not enough clearance. So what you have to do when you want to exchange it is to loosen this bolt and this bolt here. It's a 14 here on this side, on the other side it's a 17. So just this one from this side. Oops, careful a little bit. Then just open it up. just loosen it. Then the other one, that's 12. So take the screw off. So find the right angle, something like this in the middle, no, a bit more down, like this. This should be perfect. Put back the bolt here. There it is. Screw inside. So, perfect. Fits perfect. So, now this screw gets in here, back in there. Develop it, so. Tighten this one here first. And tighten this one up. So. Okay, that's tight. Last thing, tighten this one here. Okay, that's tight. And there we are. I will do a final test now before I finish everything. Wow, this feels very good. Foot is more relaxed, shifting down, easy, shifting up, easy. Yeah, this looks good. Very comfortable. Let's see, while riding, if the heel and toe shifter is more pleasant than the standard one. So this is how it looks now. Touring foot pegs and the heel and toe shifter. Now I just have to do some test rides, see if the angle is okay, or if I have to change it a little bit. But it looks very good so far. Also the other side, which was a little bit more difficult, but finally at the end it worked. So all you have to do if you want to change the shift lever, just loosen these two bolts so that you can lower everything a little bit down. The frame goes a little bit down, then you can take the old one off. So quite simple. And now we see if this one works better or if I go back to the standard one. So that's it for today. First modifications done on my Royal Enfield Classic 350. So shift lever, heel and toe, and the touring foot pegs. In the next rides I will see if it's a good modification on the bike, and yeah, a few ones will follow soon, so I have some ideas. And this is a very nice thing on the Royal Enfield Classic. There are so many things you can customize. And if you liked the video, please leave me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And I see you in the next mod video. Take care and cheers.